Hello guys and welcome back to Pumpkin's World, and in today's video I will show you how to make a small dessert. So first you'll be needing some biscuits, some canned fruits and dessert cream. And you'll be needing a whisk, a spoon, a bowl for mixing and a container. First, place your biscuits into the container. So here they are. Next, open a can of fruits. Use a spoon to pour the syrup onto the biscuits. Now the biscuits are soft and filled with syrup. Next, pour your dessert cream into the bowl. Now, whisk for about 5 minutes. Now add the fruits. Mix it together. Now pour this on the biscuits. Now cover it and place it in the fridge for 3 hours. Now your dessert is ready! Delicious!